Alright, dear students, good morning. So, today I'm going to brief you about the question and answers. So, first of all, come to page number 31 and we have to do multiple choice questions in the book itself. The first question is tick the correct answer in each. What does YMU stand for? So, it stands for Young Men's Union. Second, Swami said to the drill master in the ground that, so he said he was in a terrible state of health and he won't be able to attend the drill. So the answer is C, A and B. And the third question is, what does MCC stand for? The answer is Malgudi Cricket Club. Alright? So this you have to do in the book itself. Now again, the written read and answer, you have to do this in the book itself. This extract from the chapter contains a lot of mistakes. Compare it with the story and rewrite it. So I have done it for you. I'm going to read out in case you're not able to visualize it properly. Just 4, cut 4, it is 7 days, not after, before the match, not Rajam Swaminatham realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. As soon as evening bell rang, he lined up with the rest in the drill ground. He was wearing a overcoat while others were in their drill uniform. Then the drill master spoke to him and allowed him to take rest. He was happy to get the permission. Alright, so this is done. Now even this one you have to do in the book itself. Complete these sentences in your own words. Swaminathan had a great responsibility as he was the tate of the team. Rajam requested Swami to have at least an hour's practice in the evenings. Swami did not take off his coat and cap as he wanted to go for his practice. Now, the question and answers. Now, these question and answers you have to do in the book, in the copy. Alright, think and answer you have to do in the copy. Alright, so the first question is, why could Swami not attend the practice session? The answer for this is, Swami could not attend the practice session earlier due to his evening drill sessions in the school. Next question, why did Swami visit the doctor? Why did the doctor say, what did the doctor say to Swami? The answer is, Swami visited the doctor for a fake medical certificate. The next part is, the doctor denied him the certificate but promised to talk to his headmaster for the permission for the evening practices. Third, what kind of a person was the doctor? Give reasons for your answer. Doctor was an honest man since he denied the provision of a fake certificate. Fourth, do you think Swami's plan was a good and honest one? Discuss. The fourth answer is no, his plan was a dishonest one. He wanted the doctor to provide him with a fake medical certificate showing that he is unfit to continue his evening drills. Alright, moving forward. So children, the sequence will be again the same. First of all, 3 times you have to do new words, then the word meanings, make sentences, and then you have to do these questions and this one. Alright, rest everything has to be done in the book itself. Reference to the context. Read this sentence and answer the questions that follow. I can't give you a certificate. Who said this to whom? Who said this to whom? Doctor said this to Swami. Second question, what was the certificate needed for? The certificate was needed for Swami to get excused from evening drills. C. Why was the speaker unable to give a certificate? The speaker was unable to give a certificate since it would have landed him in trouble. What happened next in the story? In the end, the doctor offered Swami to talk to his headmaster regarding permission for evening match practices. So this is the end of the question answers that you have to do in the copy. And if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to ask me. And all the back exercises we'll be doing in the next class. Thank you, students.